In this video, I will teach you how you can fully load up your Firestick to unlock all movie applications. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel. It's your boy Zino in the building, and in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating on how you can watch any movie for free or TV show, or even watch live content. So before we do that, I would like to inform you this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. And please note, no matter your level of experience, this journey is for everyone. All you have to do is follow each step carefully, fully till the end for the best result. So without further ado, let's get started. And the application you see right now is the #1 application. I will dive into that later on in the video. We also have a VPN that we will be using. I'm using currently NordVPN. You just download the application and you connect to whichever country you want. So I'm connected right now to the Netherlands, but if I want, I'll connect to the States. That is a paid version. Let me quickly show you the discount code we have. In some countries, you might need a VPN to make this work. That being said, unlock a world of online freedom and security with NordVPN by using our exclusive discount code. This will give you ultimate privacy, access to all content, and much, much more. Check out the discount link in the description. So that's the #1, of course, and we also have a free VPN. That's going to be Proton VPN. If you don't have the budget for it, just go ahead and download Proton. Of course, there's a difference in paying for it and getting it for free. You'll notice it in speeds, but I highly recommend everyone to choose one of these two options, just to be safe. That being said, let's head over to our settings gear all the way in the top right, and we're going to go to my Fire TV. Here we're going to click on About, and we're going to click 7 times on the Fire TV sticks. After that, you will become a developer. Don't worry, it's not scary at all. You'll only see the developer options appearing after that. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging and press the home button to return back to the home screen. Now go to the search magnifier and search for the application called Downloader. Please note, if I'm going too fast for any of y'all, you can slow down the video in the video settings on YouTube, or just rewind back. Let's go ahead and type in D, and then you will see Downloader appearing right there. Click on it. It's going to be this orange icon. Click on it again, and one more time on your Firestick remote to confirm you want to download and install the Downloader application. Now let's wait patiently for it to get done, and it's already done. So let's open it up. And if you're opening this up for the first time, it is going to ask you to allow access to your Firestick. You have to allow it. If you don't do it, this will not work at all. For any of you that can't get past the steps from here, the code won't work or anything, then it means you need either the Proton VPN, the free one, or the paid one, the NordVPN. That's totally up to you. Let's go ahead and press the home button, go back to the settings gear, go to my Fire TV, and this time we are going into developer options, and we're going to go to install unknown apps, and we're going to toggle on Downloader. So this will give Downloader access for it to download applications right through that app. Let's go ahead and find where it is. Where is it? There you go. And yes. So Downloader is actually just a web browser, but instead of typing a URL for the www, the World Wide Web, you can just type in a code, and the code is going to be 234753. That being said, you can go ahead and click Go. It's going to load up the site for us, which is actually just an APK file, an Android file, an application that it will get downloaded right away. I don't know why, but since yesterday I'm getting this message popped up. I don't know. Usually I don't need to press anything and it will just load it up. But I think now I do need to accept this. I don't know. This is pretty annoying, this privacy notification. So make sure you click that away. Yeah, see, it wasn't loading, I believe. I'm not sure. But as you can see, it's counting to 0 and connecting to the application. That's it. You can go ahead and install it now. I'm right in front of the install button, but you have to press down right and it's going to install. Just wait patiently again. That being said, let's press the home button again, and we're going to go one last time to our settings gear, go to my Fire TV, get out of this install unknown apps, and enter it again and toggle on this last application we just downloaded. So we are Some might call this jailbreaking or side loading or fully loading. The right term is actually side loading. We're side loading applications through this library that will enable us to access a app store that has the best applications out there. So let's enter a code word for a library. The code word is going to be everything. Go ahead and continue here. There you go. And we have all kind of things here. We have movie, series, adult section, app stores. Okay, please note, when you enter this library, you will get a welcoming message. In the beginning of the video, I mentioned this is the #1 application that I use. Actually, I use it on a day-to-day basis. This welcoming message will contain a link. Visit it if you have budget for it, just like with Proton and NordVPN. If you have the budget for it, I highly recommend you get into the subscription through that website. Talk to them on WhatsApp. This is the best service out there. In this app store or in this library, you have over like 70 applications. 70. If you want a bit of everything, you approximately need 15 to 20 apps to run sports, series, movies, live. So that's a lot of apps. If you just want one that has it all, then visit that link. If you have the budget for it, it's a small fee that you pay, and you'll get the best of the best, high def, 4K quality, and no buffering, no lagging, a good guide with EPG, watchback. It's a stable service, so that's what I use on a day-to-day basis. That being said, let's enter the library. You will see first, if you scroll down once, unfortunately you can't see it for clear. You scroll down once, you'll see all files, and if you go down one more time, you see the #1 apps for TV and etc. You'll see the #1 app, that's the one that I use, and the second one also. Third one is going to be NordVPN, and the fourth one, maybe this will change later on, I don't know, is the on-demand application. It says right away on the logo, on-demand application. You will get that for free if you get that first one, the link you saw on the welcoming message. So this is a totally different app. I can't, I'll keep it a surprise for y'all guys. If you go down one more time, you have all the adult applications. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. So if you're into that kinky shit, you want to download one of these 3 applications. Again, if you go and get the sub, it's all included. So here you have 3 options, 3 applications. Go ahead and try it out, see which one is a good fit for you, or maybe you like all 3 of them. That's totally fine. Also, if you go down one more time, you'll see an extra app store, 2 app stores that you can download that has even more applications. Go down, you have so many options. Everything is categorized. If we go all the way down, let's for this demonstration show you guys how to actually download one and install it. I'm going to do this background closer for you to free up space on your Firestick. You just click on it, click download, and then it downloads, and you can confirm to install. And I don't think it's installed. Let me try that one more time. Install. There you go. And bada bing, bada boom. There you go. Now let's press the home button. And I'm also going to quickly show you guys. Oh, there it is. So this will close all apps in the background. So I'm also going to share with you guys how it actually works. I will leave the link and the QR code of the site in the when I showed you the welcoming message. Now let's quickly just visit that website. Maybe it's a bit easier for you guys to also see it. So this is going to be the website when you type it in the welcoming message or the QR code that you see previously. This is going to be the site. So they have packages, 3 packages. It's going to be 3 or 6 or 12 months. And you also have the option to get more logins for discount. You have more devices, of course. And it has everything. Boys and girls, it has everything. You just click buy now, fill in the details, and also contact them through WhatsApp. Their customer service is great. I use this again on a day-to-day basis, and I've been using it for approximately 4 or 5 months now. I gotta say, it is the best of the best, and I've used it for years, hopping from service to service to service. So frustrating. That being said, I believe this video has come to an end. I hope you saw the value in this video. I want to thank everyone for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.